Here's my potting bench that my son-in-law made me last year. But because of the virus, we hadn't ever got it over here. We've all had our vaccination shots now, so now we can get together. My grandson came over and leveled the bottom down here to be able to put this in this place. I was going to put it out in the garden, but the more I thought about it, the more I thought if I put it over here, I'll be able to use it year round. It doesn't matter about the weather, if it's hot or cold. And I don't have to worry about rain wrecking anything either. So I'm real happy on this decision on my part. It has several shelving units to put things. It's got hooks on both sides to hang things. And there's still room underneath to put other things. So I'm really happy how this project turned out. And here's my other hooks on the other side. Making everything handy where I can work on my garden bench. And as you can see, there's a light right above it. So say I wanted to come out here in the evening time and do something, I could do something. Because there's light out here on the patio. Well, let's see if Grandma can sort of jazz it up a little. I have all these really nice little bird houses that are made out of wood. Now these cannot really stay out in the garden because they'll get wrecked from the water because they're real wood and they're not high quality wood. So they wouldn't make it very long. So anyway, that's why I decided, why not put it on the top shelf of my potting bench? Looks really pretty. What do you think? Give me a comment. I'm not done yet. We're going to do a lot more to decorate. Let's see what we can put on this shelf. Well, I've rearranged a few things at the top shelf. What do you think? And I moved a few things down to here. We still have a pretty large work area, and I can always move these items because I have several tables on my patio also. I just wanted something to look nice to photograph. Well, here you can see I've put in quite a few of my accessories up here just to keep them safe away from great-grandchildren and water damage. Some of these items will be going out into the garden eventually. This miniature rose bush is going to be planted out in the front. Just haven't got around to it yet. And one thing Grandma does has lots of fairy accessories. And you know I got to put 30 fairy gardens together in June. Hope to see you all there and see what we do. Getting ready, as you can see. Going to be going around the garden, picking up a lot of fairy accessories. And see what I can put together. And taking lots of cuttings from my succulents. Hope you enjoyed the update on Grandma's potting bench and how it's looking and what is going on at Grandma's place. And getting ready for June fairy garden. 30 fairy gardens. Can you believe it? Grandma's going to have to really get busy and start working, along with a bunch of other projects she's working on. Well, hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your kindness and support. I always appreciate so. Hope you're going to enjoy watching Grandma put together all these fairy gardens. I can't wait to get busy on them. I love them so much. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Until the next video, my awesome friends, please take care. See you then. Bye-bye for now. And I got a little bit of fresh lavender in here. I'm going to move it out to the front yard probably in a few days. But I just thought I would share with you some of the live plants that I'm going to be planting in the garden. Because I'm allergic to bees, lavender really collects bees bad. I'm putting it all the way up front by the block wall to be away from me, but I can still have the wonderful smell of fresh lavender blowing in the wind, and I can go out there and cut the flowers, I guess at night, because in the daytime there'll be too many bees flying around the lavender. But anyway, eventually I'll get it cut, and I will dry it and have it in my home. I love the smell of fresh lavender. Well, I think the garden bench is looking pretty nice. Got some live plants scattered all about now. Doesn't it look good seeing some beautiful live plants on it? I really enjoy it. And then I have this beautiful little yellow rose miniature that my daughter got me because I love miniature roses. Isn't it beautiful? And I have another bud or two for some more roses any day, going to start blooming out. Well, this is my garden bench with some beautiful fresh florals on it and some beautiful miniature pieces for my fairy garden, for I can start doing fairy gardens.